Product designers and tooling engineers, you need to be best friends. If you're a product designer and you're not spending lots of quality time with your tooling engineers, then you are missing a huge opportunity. Imagine this, PD and tooling are working independently. PD team designs parts that fit and look fantastic on CAD. Then the CAD and the prototypes get handed over to the tooling engineer. Hey tooling guy, what do you think? Let's get a DFM going. The tooling engineer reaction may look something like this. Oh no, why didn't you talk to me sooner? There's so much wrong with these parts, so much I can see. I don't even know where to start. We're definitely not in a position to kick off a DFM. This type of situation creates unnecessary conflict. The tooling engineer is overwhelmed with the amount of issues in the design. The PD engineer may feel like the design has to be scrapped, redone, or rebuilt. It's very messy, it's very time consuming, and it's very frustrating for everyone involved. Now, imagine this instead. PD and tooling work on the CAD and prototypes together from day one. They spend time together, they pick each other's brains, they support each other, they ask questions, and they make suggestions about alternatives and different ideas. Here are a few opportunities that come to mind that PD plus tooling combination can bring to life. Build the CAD together, dig into the details before it's too late. Ask random questions. Have plenty of why in both directions. Play around with the physical prototypes. Feel the part. Test ideas. Spot issues early. Again, ask why, and maybe what if we did this instead? Chat about part function and how to make the part in the best way possible. Because what looks great on screen doesn't always work in a manufacturing or a production scenario. One of the greatest challenge of great design is combining and getting a balance between function and beauty, form and function. And then add a layer of ease of manufacturability on top of that. This is the essence of making stuff. And for all engineers involved, this is the fun bit. It matters a lot that these two engineers spend plenty of time together, chatting, questioning, and designing. Tooling engineers kind of treat every part as a product. Every part has a truckload of unique variables. Every part has design, process, and cost opportunities. Tooling engineers can sometimes get too involved at part level. But again, that's part of the magic. That's part of the combination of PD and tooling. PD and tooling teams help balance each other. Parts versus product. It's a wonderful supporting relationship when it's done right. Tooling engineers would gain a better understanding of the bigger picture, and PD may learn more about manufacturing risks and other opportunities. So overall, when it's done right, it's a win-win plus win situation. So what are the benefits of getting the PD plus tooling relationship balanced and right? Here are a few that come to mind. I think you'll have fewer redesigns, better schedule, which means you can launch stuff quicker. Cost is impacted in a positive way. You would have smoother manufacturing processes, which means more consistent yields. So what's the takeaway? PD and tooling need to spend too much time together. More casual chats than oh no chats. It makes the experience of making and designing for engineers more rewarding, and you will end up with better parts, a better product, and a better system for making it. So if you are a tooling engineer, or a PD engineer, ask yourself, are you making time for these conversations and chats?